Hi, this is G from G's Homemade Handmade. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your crochet project with a slip knot. There are several ways to do this depending on who you're talking with. I'm going to give you 5 options on how this is done. Before we start, here are some tips you need to remember when doing a slip knot. First, ensure you have approximately 5 to 6 inches of loose yarn to weave it in easily when your project is done. Number 2, make sure your slip knot is not too tight or not too loose. Number 3, the slip knot should wrap around your hook enough that it glides easily. So let's get started. First method is, first you lay your yarn flat in a U form. Grab the short end of your yarn and lay it on top of the other to make a loop. Pick up the loop and put the short end behind the loop. Pull the yarn out of the loop while holding the 2 strands of yarn to tighten it. The second method, lay your yarn straight. Grab the middle portion and twist your yarn. Make sure that the short end is under and the long end is on top. Put your 2 fingers inside the loop. Grab the long end of the yarn and pull it out of the loop. The third method, grab your yarn and wrap it around your 2 fingers twice, forming an X. Using your hook, scoop out the yarn that is on top and pull it out. The fourth method, grab your yarn and wrap it around your 1 finger. Hold the loose end, then grab the other end and wrap it around the same finger. Now you have 2 loops on your finger. Grab the yarn that is behind and pull it over the first loop. Pull the yarn and tighten it. The fifth method, grab your yarn and hook. Hold your yarn, scoop the yarn from underneath and pull. Hold the twisted part using your thumb and middle finger. Now twist the hook around once and scoop the yarn again, then pull it through the loop. There you have it, 5 methods on how to make a slip knot. Give it a try and let me know which one you're most comfortable with. See you in the next video.